To do a quick LR search, you may use the portal's search box by typing in the title, keyword, or specific competency code of the resource on this area. You may filter your search by title, keywords, or description. If none is selected, the system shall populate list from all three categories based from the word you have entered. Click on the search icon or hit enter. Search results shall display according to type of users. By default, listed resources are for learners. By hitting Teachers Resources, system shall display all relevant teaching materials in the portal. Same goes for professional development and media resources. Each of these lists can be further refined by their corresponding resource types located at the right navigation panel. Note that if you can only view one or few classifications, it means that there are no materials tagged yet to the other resource types. To search and access K-12 resources, user must be logged into the portal with a member account at the least. Go to the Resources tab and click on the K-12 Resources link. This is the K-12 landing page. Here, you will see the top most downloaded resources that are tagged under K-12. You may browse resources by grade level using the right navigation panel. For this example, I will browse grade 4 resources. Upon selecting specific grade level, the system shall display learning resources from where we can do further browsing of resources. Under each learning area, topics are listed with corresponding counts to better guide the user in browsing. After selecting a topic, list of related resources are displayed. Resources can be further filtered by special curricular program using these tabs. User can either view details of the resources or directly download material through this page. Note that, for non-Deped users, one can only access and download learning materials and other supplementary resources in the portal. This is the resource detail page. Here you can view the resource key metadata such as description, objectives, resource type, file format, curriculum competency, and copyright details. To find ALS Materials, go to Resources tab and select Alternative Learning System link. List of all resources tagged under ALS shall display. It can be filtered by literacy level using these tabs. Each of these lists can be further refined by their corresponding strands and stages located at the right navigation panel. To browse PDM materials, go to Resources tab and select Professional Development link. List of all resources tagged under Professional Development shall display. It can be further refined by domains on the right navigation panel. To view media resources such as photos, illustrations, audio, and video, click on the Media Gallery link on the main menu. You shall then be redirected to the Media Gallery's homepage. Here you will see the most downloaded resource from the gallery. From this side, user can select a category that is related to what he needs. Resource thumbnails shall display with a short description of the selected category. User may hover each thumbnail to get a better view of the resource. List can also be filtered by resource types using these tabs. When user clicks on the thumbnail, the system shall display the resource details. From here, user can already download the material by clicking the download button.